Good morning. I just wanted to let you know that I have just taken COVID vaccine today. I would like all of you to take the COVID vaccine. And after you took the vaccination, I would like you to take a photograph with this sign, with the statement of yours saying that you have taken the vaccine, and another question, have you taken? I want to give you a message. COVID vaccine is safe. I trust science. We all trust science. We should be grateful to our government for providing us the vaccine in a record period of time with all the due diligence. Why should we hurry and take vaccine? Yes, there is a genuine hurry. COVID hasn't gone from India. What guarantee we have that we will not be struck by the second wave? You look at what happened in Europe, what happened in US. It can happen to India anytime. Today, God has given us a window of opportunity. In this window of opportunity, let's vaccinate ourselves. God forbid COVID comes back, we have protected ourselves. When the COVID strikes, it is too late for you to vaccinate yourself. Now, the question is, are we in a position to vaccinate our whole country, which is one of the largest countries in the world? If there is one country which can vaccinate half the country's population in a record period of time, that is India. I'll explain how. Our analytic team did all kinds of calculation. They came up with a brilliant strategy. Right now, I'm working in our Bangalore Health City, which has over 25 acres of land. We have a huge car park. We have over a few thousand nurses working here. Per shift, there are more than 600 to 800 nurses working. All we need to do is to request our nurses to work 4 hours of extra time, overtime, before they start the duty. All we need that. And each nurse will take just 1 minute to vaccinate one patient. How is it possible? Very simple. In our car park, we keep maybe 20, 30, 50 chairs in a row. And each patient comes and sits there. Neighboring colleges, final year students should do all the documentation. The software is easy to use and these kids can learn in no time. And a student nurse loads the vaccine and the senior nurse will just wear a disposable gloves and inject the vaccine in few seconds, and she will throw the syringe to the trash, removes the gloves, goes to the next patient. It should take less than 1 minute. Another student nurse sitting with the patient will keep the sterile swab, keep it pressed till the patient is comfortable, and the next patient comes. And do you know how many nurses are required to immunize 500 million people in 2 months? Just 34,770 nurses. That's all. And we are a country which is blessed with over 3 million nurses, over 1 million doctors, lakhs and lakhs of medical students, lakhs and lakhs of nursing students, paramedical students. We have over few lakh hospitals with very good infrastructure to conduct this massive COVID vaccine drive. If there is one country which can defy all the logics of immunizing the country in a record period of time, that is India. Let's do it. Let's make all of us proud and set an example for the rest of the world to follow. Thank you so much.